Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. May I introduce myself? My name is Eis Nurzakiyah. I am from Department of Physics Education, Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. Today I will present about learning cycle 7E STEM in enhancing student collaborative skill during the pandemic COVID-19. It's my outline that I will present. The first is introduction, methods, result and discussion, and conclusion. In my introduction, the learning cycle 7E models was developed to help students understand physics concept by making students work actively in solving problems. The learning cycle 7E models has 7 phases, namely elicit, engage, exploration, explaining, elaboration, evaluation, and extend. STEM learning is considered capable for preparing students to face 21st century because STEM learning requires students to collaborative and problem solving. The integration of STEM approach with the 7E learning cycle model can facilitate students to improve their problem solving and collaborative skills. As we know that today's technology advances so rapidly, one of the most popular is gadgets. Many students who are addicted to gadgets that affect their mindset and shapes their attitudes tend to be individualistic. One of the skills that will be equipped in the world of work is collaboration skills. Students with good collaboration skills will be easy to adapt and have social intelligence. Due to the pandemic COVID-19, the government has instruction that learning in school be shifted to online learning. So, learning physics with the 7E STEM learning cycle is done using the WhatsApp group. Next, the methods. This study will describe the challenges and problems in implementing the learning cycle 7E STEM in high school in Kuningan. The method used was a case study. Data in this study were collected from 34 students, with 7 of them male students and 27 female students in 11th grade, 17 age in average at high school at Kuningan. This study used observation sheets to observe student activities while collaborating through WhatsApp group. One group consists of 4 to 5 students. Each group is given LKPD containing problems that must be solved with collaborative activities. Observational data were processed using the RAS analysis. Next, the result. Based on table 1, it is also known that the average student logic value at the first meeting is minus 3.24 and at the second meeting is plus 3.2. Then obtained an increase in student collaboration of plus 6 for 6 logic. This shows that there is an increase in the mean value of more than plus 1 logic, indicated that student collaboration abilities have increased significantly. For the aspects, the first aspect is actively contributions. Based on the table based on table 2, it can be seen that at the first meeting, students rely more on each other and feel enough if they have answered one question. For example, students with code 5V only contribute to completing the question once, so that they only got a score of 1. While at second meeting, students try to give as many ideas. Next, for working productively aspect, students are required to stay focused on the given problem, with the indicator being able to mention keyword related to optical devices. But unfortunately, there are still students who convey idea without mentioning keyword. The keywords in question are such as eyes, like myopia, hypermetropy, microscope, and etc. Next, for third aspect, based on table 4, can be seen that student discussion activities to find idea and solve the problems. In this aspect, students are required to respond to each other's opinion. In the first meeting, student 9P just asked opinion from teacher. But in second meeting, student 9P asked their friends' opinion. Which side? Anyone want to answer or add something? Next, for aspect of responsibility. Based on table 5, can be seen that in the aspect of responsibility, students are required to be responsive to discussion in WhatsApp group. Students are required to respond quickly when asked by their friends. From the table above, it can be seen that 28 students took 3 minutes to respond to their friends' question at the first meeting. While at the second meeting, student 28P were faster in responding in less than 1 minute. Okay, the approach and results of this study can have important implications for the measurement of collaboration skill. By using WhatsApp group, researchers can find out student collaboration activities to solve problems given by the teacher. The result of data analysis using the RISE model saw an increase in student collaboration abilities from the first meeting and second meeting. So it can be concluded that the application of a learning cycle 7 STEM online can improve student collaborative skill during the pandemic COVID-19. Okay, thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.